Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to install and download Marks and Spencer app. M&S app combines shopping and Sparks loyalty program and digital banking, available for free on App Store and Google Play Store. It streamlines shopping with mobile pay and go, next day click and collect, digital recipes. Key features include Sparks Reward, access a digital wallet for personalized offers, free birthday treats, and partner rewards, mobile pay and go. Scan items with your phone and pack your bags and pay in the app to skip checkouts, queues, digital banking, Marks and Spencer credit cards, pay bills, and set up your digital Marks and Spencer pass. Food and shopping, browse the latest clothing and homes arrivals, save recipes, and build digital shopping list. So go to Play Store, select apps, and search M&S app. Select search M&S fashion, food, and homeware. Select install Marks and Spencer. Select open. We value your privacy. I usually reject all. M&S, everything you want from Marks and Spencer in one place. Sign in, join, continue as a guest. This is the app. So it will ask for your location, M&S home, shop, Sparks, wish list, bag. So if you go to Sparks, new Sparks is here. Sign up and earn money into your digital Sparks wallet to buy things you love at M&S. Reward you love. Digital Sparks wallet. Earn money back to buy things you love at M&S. From food to shopping and everything in between. Personalized offer together with Virgin Red. Buy 6 hot drinks and get one free. Join or sign in. M&S home. Show you just arrived. Sandals, shop department, summer, women, men, just arrived, Father's Day, beauty, girls, boys, lingering, flowers, home, gifts, sports, baby, food, offers, clearance, M&S money, best of boohoo, lingerings, top picks. Select shop, shop summer dress, men, just arrive, autograph, summer shop, our June top pick, rust. Then you select any specific one. Let's say if you select this top, then add to bag. Then you select the size. You have small, medium, large, extra large, double extra large, triple extra large, and 4 extra large. Select large, for example. Then you select regular. Then you select add to bag. This item is added to bag. Continue shopping or checkout. Select checkout. Click and collect is free. Standard delivery up to 5 to 7 days. £3.99. For order over 75 quid, you get the item free. Next last nominated day delivery, £5.99. Then you select checkout securely. Then you sign in with your email address and password to checkout. Create account or sign in as a guest. Continue as a guest. Then you put your email address and continue to check out the item. If you want to remove this item, then you select delete. Item is removed. You can also search item on top. Offers. If you go to offers, all clearance or things they have on offer. Shop offer now. Then it will show you all the items they got on offer. You can select any specific one. You can go to beauty, show you the price of the perfume, the current price. So you can add it to basket or add to wish list. Item added to wish list. Then go to wish list. Then you sign in. You can also donate to charity. Even more with Sparks. M&S Reward credit card. Join our baby club. Supercharge your money. If you want to uninstall this app, then you select M&S. Hold it a bit firm. Then select uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. So the app is uninstalled. Thank you very much indeed.